Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm headed to get my tires changed. The tires on this 2017 are right now Michelin Pilot Streets. They are like 2 years old, and they've now developed some cracks in them because last 6 months bike was not used much. So I've got a pair of MRF stock tires that come with the stock bike. So I'm going to swap them and put those tires on the bike back. So that's the setup, how I've done the tire mounts right now. So waiting for my medicines to come. What a nice number, 27786. So I picked up my medicines and अब चलते हैं प्रभात टायर्स, which is at JM Road and oh, signal चालू है, भागो! Which is at JM Road near Corporation, Pune Corporation. So I always, so far in the past 2-3 years, I've got all my tires etc. all work done from Prabhat Tires. So now let's visit him. Once I reach there and tire work starts, I'll show you the clips and then start the feedback also on the Michelins. Prabhat Tires. तो यहाँ पे हम करेंगे अपना गाड़ी का टायर चेंज. So I left the tires at Prabhat Tires and I'm here for a wash first. So once the bike is clean, they can work on it properly. It's quite dirty. So I first had to go and fetch a mask because I had forgotten the mask at home. Then the bike washing is complete and I'm back at Prabhat Tires. Now this is why I come here. They've got proper paddock and all, everything to lift the bike and get the work done properly. So speaking about the feedback about Michelins, I got them installed at around when the bike was around 10 or 11,000 kilometers, when Sagar Sildekar along with Autolog was working on reducing the issues that time in the 2017 and 18. So we had tried out a lot of things like Motul engine oil, Motul fork oils, the tires. He had also worked on the EBC brakes on the front part. So you can check his past posts on his Instagram for all these stuff, for his feedbacks. If possible, if I can trace those, I'll leave them in the video description. Now coming back to Michelin Pilot Street, these are the tires that he had installed that time on my bike. So right now in some places, in some of the grooves, I cannot see it here right now. Maybe once the bike is off paddock or once the tires are outside, I'll show you those. So and I'm planning to sell the bike. So here you can see some of the cracks can be seen here. So I'm planning to sell this bike and I do not want to give the seller a bike which has some issues or something. So that is the reason most of the service and all detailed was done. Oil change and coolant is again remaining, so I'll be going at SK soon and getting that done. And speaking about the Michelin Pilot Streets, they are one awesome tires. The grip is absolutely good. I mean, it is way better than the stock MRFs for obvious reasons. Price, of course, they are a bit expensive. The grip in water is also, or wet roads, is also very nice. I've done, as I've said, I've done almost 17,000 on these kilometers, and if you see, they've lasted also quite long, okay, for the way I ride. And no, my tires do not have any issue of wearing from the side and not wearing out from the center. So I spoke to one of the subscribers or friends of mine, and he said that his tires are wearing out more on the edges than on the center. So here if you see, my tires are wearing out properly, that is more in the center and less on the edges. Now why do tires wear out more at the edges? Because they are underinflated. When they are underinflated, this part, the center parts, get pressed inside and the edges, the bike runs on the tire edges. So that is the basic reason of tires wearing out on the edges. So if you have proper air pressures, this you won't have these issues. Of course, the biggest drawback of this Michelins is that they have tremendous road noise. With even the smallest pothole or smallest stone on the road, you can feel the noise, the bump or the hit right up to your handle. And while riding also there's tremendous road noise, but I got used to it. For first 500 kilometers it was really irritating, but once I did 2-3 long rides, I've been to Kutch, I've been to Mysore. After I did that, it was like normal for me. The noise did not even matter to me. So if you want safe tires, much grippier tires, all-round tires they do very good on corners and all, then you can surely go for Michelin Pilots. So the size is standard what the DOM size is. The up front we have 110, 70 and 17, and at the rear we had 150, 60, R17, and they are Pilot Street radials. Absolutely good tires, and these are made in Thailand for those who don't know. MRF is gone back on the rear tire. So that's it. And if you have any more questions regarding the Pilot, regarding the Michelins, you can let me know. I'll surely answer them in the comments. I'll soon be putting out a video on the on my Explorer tires, that is the Timson ones. So I'll give you feedback for those also, and we'd put, if you guys remember, we'd put Timsons on Benellis also. So I have to roll that video out too. Once that video is captured, I'll slowly roll out that too. So once these guys finish the installation, I'll wait for these guys, and once they finish, let me help these guys. No, they do not require any help. I was just watching how they're installing. By the way, this guy washed the bike really well. He took more than 45 minutes to wash, and he was putting his hand in every nick and corner and washing it nicely. So this tire hugger on my 2017 is again a temporary installation. It is going to go back to my Explorer. So I had to go and check this on some other bikes at Autolog. They have the one of the friend there has a Gixxer, and there's also a Hornet, because I've got a lot of inquiries for Hornet. So I'd gone there to check if it fits the Hornet, but it did not fit the Hornet. The brake caliper in the Hornet was coming in between. So for Dominar 252, I need to go and check with Bajaj, if they can give me a bike. I already dispatched a few clamps, but they did not fit, because the mount on the 250 is the swing arm on the 250 is a box swing arm, and this is an aluminum swing arm. Both the designs are different. So my current clamp, which is the universal clamp, it does not fit on 250s. So once that is ready, I'll surely roll out. I'll put messages on my Instagram and also post videos for detailed installation, etc., and then you guys can start ordering. So one really good advantage of this SVS crash guards is, if you want to lift the tires from front at any tire wala, you can use this as a ramp. Okay, they put the truck jacks on the crash guard. They mounted here. If it was a stock bike, they wouldn't have been able to do it with the stock crash guards, because stock crash guards end out here, and they're not so strong. So now he's removing the front axle. The tire being removed from the rim. Yeah, one more thing about the Michelins, many people have also complained that the rims bend and all. 27,000 kilometers right now on the bike. Started with 10 or 11,000 kilometers, 16,000 almost done. I have never had even one rim bend. I don't even have even one puncture. And it's not that I've not ridden on bad roads, or it's not never gone in potholes. For such tires, what you should do is, or any tire, any vehicle with mag wheels, what you should do is, when you are approaching a big pothole, make sure you don't go and brake inside the pothole. Brake long before, and just when you are about to reach the pothole, you release the bike. Let it go naturally. If you brake simultaneously and also jump in the pothole, your suspension is not going to get area to travel, because whenever you brake hard on long rides or on high speeds, your suspension falls down, or it goes down, or it is compressed, and when it hits the pothole, it further doesn't get room to travel. So that is the reason why your rims break. If you don't brake in potholes, if you don't brake on speed breakers, if you have proper air pressure, your tires are going to be intact, your rims are going to be intact. So that is the reason why I've got no issues whatsoever on my Pirellis, on my Benellis, none of the bikes. Always get tires installed on such machines. Because of these machines, your rims won't get marks, the installation marks, and your rims will be intact, as good as new. If you see this rim, it doesn't have any tire installation marks. So Prabhat Tires has got most stock of Seat, and he's got all Pirellis, Michelins he's got. These are Anarchy Adventure. He's got Pilot, Angel GT2. He's got Metzeler Tourans. He's got Timsons. All sort of tires are here for all sorts of bikes. So if you guys have missed my first video for installation, we had picked up the Timsons from Prabhat Tires itself for my 600i, as well as my friends. He's got Rosso also, Diablo Rosso 3 are here. Road 5 are here. So probably these are going to be the next tires on my Dominar. He's got full knobby tires also. Even for your smaller two-wheelers, he's got everything. Lots of stock out here. So even if he doesn't have stock, he's got second branch at Kothurud. This here, I'm in Shivaji Nagar right now. This is the Angel GT2. So he'll arrange from there, or if he doesn't have a stock even there, he'll arrange some for you. You can always call him and come and take an appointment and then come. When I first come here for my 600i, there was too much road noise. So now due to lockdown and all this COVID stuff and all, there's absolutely no rush here today. Oh, look at that boy. He's trying to get kites, I guess. I hope he doesn't hurt some car or some human traveling. So this is right opposite the corporation office, Prabhat Tires in Shivaji Nagar. You can Google it and you will easily get the address. So MRFs are back, I guess, on the bike. So guys, my installation is complete and I'll head back home. Now what these guys were saying is Pirellis and Michelins have last been imported in June. Uske baad imports stop ho gaye for some reason, and the next stock won't come until Jan 2020 is what they are guessing. So if you guys need any of the tires for your Multistradas, Ducatis, your Benellis, your Triumphs, and if you're not getting stock anywhere, please do get in touch with Prabhat Tires. They'll surely help you out. So I'll probably end my vlog here. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. Please show some love. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're watching this for the first time, and at any point of time you liked any part of the video, please do hit the like button and do share it with your friends, your groups, so that they get all the information from me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon again, requesting again for receiving all updates from me. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.